Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Bella TV. I know it's been a long time, but we are back with a self-care video. Today we are going to be featuring IPL treatment using RoseSkinCo's Lumi handset. I'm first going to start by opening the package so you can see how this works. The Lumi system is compact and small for easy storage. I love the sleek packaging and ergonomic design. The kit comes full with instructions on how to use and the best skin tones for use. I made sure to read thoroughly before starting this, as this was my first attempt at using any IPL system. The handset is equipped with 2 buttons, one for power and adjustments and one to control the intensity. I'll show this in more detail later on in the video. Okay, so the first step in this treatment is to shave. You need to wash your legs and then shave them. The light needs to be able to zap the follicle, which is the colored part of your hair shaft, and the part that is left post-shaving. So you shave your hair down to the shortest possible length, and that is what the IPL machine is zapping. This is why waxing or tweezing does not work when considering doing intense post-light. And here we are. Intense Post IPL stands for Intense Post Light Technology. Home IPL hair removal devices apply very gentle pulses of light to the hair root, which is that little colored part that we just talked about. This makes the hair go into the telogen, or the resting phase. When the hair grows back, it falls out, and gradually over time, your hair starts to just grow less hair in that area until there is no more hair. So after shaving, we need to towel dry, and then we're going to get ready to use our Lumi system. I've always been interested in using semi-permanent hair removal because over the years I've developed a condition called follicular keratosis, or chicken skin, which presents itself as small goose-like bumps on my legs, on my arms, literally wherever I decide to wax, which is my method of hair removal now. So I'm hoping and praying that this system will help. So as you can see, I'm kind of using the stamp method. There are 3 different ways that you can do this. You can do the stamp, you can do the glide, or you can do the automatic. I decided to do the stamp, which is basically you place it on your skin, click it, and then there will be a pulse of light. And I did that my entire lower leg. So you can also change the setting by pressing and holding the pulse or the sun button and switch it to glide. In this mode, the Lumi will pulse every second during the treatment. So it's good for bigger areas if you're doing your whole leg or your whole arm, if you're doing your back, whatever. You can turn this off by pressing and holding down the pulse button until the lights are no longer flashing. After my treatment, I'm going to use an unscented lotion to bring moisture back into my skin. While using IPL could sometimes leave the skin dry and a little bit irritated, we're going to make sure that we bring the moisture back. I'm going to use alcohol to clean the Lumi, but I'm going to unplug it first because we need to be safe. So I'm using a 70% isopropyl alcohol to clean it, and just like one of my face wipes, and I'm wiping the treatment area. On a pain scale of 1 to 5, and 5 being the absolute worst, I give Lumi a 1. This was my first treatment, and I really didn't experience any pain while doing this, which was awesome. Guys, use my coupon code if you want to save a few dollars at checkout. I'm going to put it here on the screen as well as in my description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and Happy New Year to everyone. Let's have a great 2023. Oh,